Okay guys, new problem here. This is in regards to the 700 tail slop. As you can see, I am able to do this. So watch. You see? And then let's say I go like that. See, there's a clicking sound. And it's not, there's no slop here in between the gears. There's no slop, so the shaft isn't sliding up and down. But there is this where it would click, like this sound. This is how loose it is, and it's not in this joint. This is, this is all Loctite. So I don't know why it's doing that. Anyone, any ideas? Is yours doing that? I'm giving it quite a bit of force, but you can hear it clicking back and forth.